Are you targeting design and architecture exams in 2026 or dreaming of getting into top design and architecture college in India? The competition is tough, but with the right guidance, you can make it. At Creative Edge, India's most loved design and architecture coaching class, we provide expert coaching class to ACE, UCEED, NID, NIFT, JBARC and NATA exams. This batch includes regular live classes, comprehensive physical and digital study material, full-length mock test with complete video solution, topic test and regular assignments, one-on-one mentorship for personalized guidance, and with the India's best and biggest team of academicians. We have tailored batches for every student. Regular batches thrice a week, Monday, Wednesday and Friday, or Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. Weekend batches ideal for students who are engaged in other subject coachings. Droppers batch for those who are re-attempting with full focus. Day batches perfect for early risers. From design fundamentals to portfolio preparation, we cover it all. Whether it's mastering perspective drawing, aptitude test or creative problem solving, we have got you covered. Seats are filling fast. Don't wait. Call us on 6363286363 or click on the link given in description box.